In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change graphics in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase the two main ways to change the graphics settings for Blox Fruits. So first, I'm going to showcase how to do it inside of the game, and then I'm going to be talking about fast mode. So when you join any of the teams available and you start playing, this is going to be the main primary way of changing graphics. All that you have to do is press escape at any time or open the menu by clicking on the Roblox icon and going over to these settings. Now, if you scroll down, you will see plenty of options, including graphics quality. If the graphics mode is set to automatic, it's important that you change this to manual. If it is set to automatic, you won't be able to customize and change the graphics according to your preferences, so set it to manual. Now, you will see these light bars here. You will be able to enable more of them or disable them. Basically, the more to the left that the graphics quality is, the less pretty the game is going to look. So if you increase this, performance might decrease a little bit, but you will get better quality when playing. So as you can see, there is a distant place that I can go to over there, but if I lower the graphics settings, it is going to go away because it is rendering less of the environment. So to keep it simple, if your PC or your phone is strong and you want to have these pretty effects, you want to see everything in a distance, you can go ahead and turn up the graphical quality, and you will be able to play with the best graphics possible. However, if your PC is slow, maybe you are using an old laptop, Chromebook, something like that, it is important to go over here and lower the graphics quality. This way you will be able to get better performance because the game won't have to render all of these things and it is going to run faster. Now, another thing that you can do, as I've mentioned previously, is that you can use fast mode. So if you join Blox Fruits before selecting a team, one of the options is going to be fast mode. This will disable materials, so I'm going to let them load. So for example, you can clearly see that the houses have these pretty roof tiles, they have different texture, different materials, but if I click on fast mode, everything will be turned into one color. Because of this, the performance is going to go up by a lot because it doesn't have to render these models and these textures. So only use this if you really don't care about the graphic settings and you want the best performance possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to change graphics in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.